You will join me.
Okay. Wait.
Oh, you do often?
There. Quickly.
Okay, this way. Use your fist like this. One more Vader. Use the force. Okay.
Come closer.
We're just heading on Star Tours and I wanted to show you the queue because I can't actually get on the ride, but this is one of the best queues I've seen in a long time. How cool is that? Showing you all your flight times. And the wee guys up here. It's a trap. Look at R2. No, I think we'll get it.
Just from a galactic base in the galactic airport.
It's cool, man. He's awesome. Check out all the droids on this side, all the different colours. And is that looks like that guy for Short Circuit. That's quality.
En lune de miel sur Tatooine. Eh bien, alors bon voyage.
C'est gentil, passez. Content de vous voir. Comment vont les enfants? Quel match ce soir? Autant pour le saison. C'est rien, je vais tester mon nouveau programme de conversation. Ça a l'air de marcher. Franchement, chers humains, je ne sais pas comment vous faites. Allons. Avancez. Okay. I'm afraid your flight has been cancelled. Okay. It's just a delay. Alright, capability.
What?
Excusez-moi un peu.
There we are, there on the thing, you see it?
L'un de vous est-il venu à bord d'un landspeeder marron?
We're just in the Star Tours shop and look, you can build your own droids. And then
You can put little hats and stuff on.
look at all these ones that have been built. How cool are they? You get goofy hats and that. See, one's got a Star Wars hat. It just tells you here how much they are, $10.99. That's pretty cool. Look.
Yeah.
Wee hats for them.
A little goofy hat.
Show you the ones here that are pretty cool. How cool are these? They're like wee glass ornaments.
They're like foil, you make them like.
Oh, the foil? Alright, they're foil. They look pretty cool. Oh aye, so here they are here on the left.
Chris in the morning when you wake him up 10 minutes after his alarm woke up.
Grumpy. This is cool, man. I like this t-shirt. Oh, look at the wee Ewoks. Dress up your kid as a TIE fighter.
Well done.
Yeah, see, I'm good. And then we just go over here. How cool are these ears?
They're fun. Imagine them at night time.
They're cool. They're only €10.
Oh, really?
Look at
Your
right.
feet than you.
They're amazing.
Those are so fun. $27.99.
That's good. But there you go, babe. There's the hat of the century right there.
I actually love that.
How cool is he?
Oh my god, they're so cute. Chris bought me these pin badges for our anniversary, but I feel that we should get matching phone cases.
That's not going to happen.
I think we should though. No. I love these.
They're cracking bags, aren't they? They're a wee bit dear, mind you. It's $79. How much is a wee one? That's free.
I think it's also $79.
Both of them are $79. Here's an even better bag. Stormtroopers. How cool are all these in crystal? And then just over here we get some cool wee figures as well. this one, the fight scene. How cool is this Darth Vader hoodie? And all around the park they've got these wee medallions, so we went and got a Star Tours one there. How cool is that? And then we got Natalie a wee pin.
Phantom Manor.
It's her favourite.
So I'm gonna just put that on.
Lovely.
Beautiful.
How amazing are Wally and Eve? They're so cool, aren't they? So here's a cafe here at Disneyland, and just look at the theming and it's brilliant.
What's it called?
I've not got a clue.
Cafe Hyperion.
There we go, so this is called Cafe Hyperion. I'm just going to show you, we ate here last night, but I actually didn't bring the camera with me, so I'll just go over here and I'll show you on the menu what I had, and it's really, really good. So I got this, the BB-8 burger. And this burger is a bacon cheeseburger and it's got cheese sauce on it. The dessert, however, was horrible. So this is just to give you a wee overview of the inside of it. How cool is this? You get a big cracking clock up in the distance here. And we've actually got a screen over here that shows films and that for the kids. All the seats and stuff over here.
It's quite good as well. We always forget until we've already bought our stuff, but last night we remembered and used our annual passes and we got quite a big discount off. So the meal Chris got was $16.99, but I think it was $15.29.
Yeah, we got 10% off our meal last night because we used our annual discount cards, or our annual passes, sorry.
Always remember, just give it a wee scan.
Yeah, you can just ask them. So, just show you all the seats in here. It's quite a big place actually. We got a stage here. I don't know if they put any shows on. Let's say for the kids, there's like movies and all that stuff playing as well.
Quite chill as well.
I just wanted to give you a wee closer look at the clock inside here with the cool steampunk theming. And then also got some like cities and stuff up here. This place is awesome. And also to go along with the theming, all the Coke machines and stuff are all done in steampunk too. And just look at the big, is this a Nautilus?
No, that's
Nah.
what you call the balloon thing.
I'm not too sure what these balloons are called.
Blip.
If you know what these balloon things are called, leave us a comment. And we'll get Buzz Lightyear on a wee steampunk thing here, and then just to continue on with a lot of the steampunk themes, there's this bit here that goes round the side of the building.
It's all like the area that's going to be like there's Autopia.
Oh, so it is. So this is like all the rides that we've just been on are in this area.
There.
Ah, right, there we go. We're just about to go on this thing here called the Nautilus. You actually, it's just over here in this building here. You actually go underneath in that thing there. It's pretty cool.
So we're down, we're on the submarine.
Watching Captain Nemo's submarine. He's got his treasure in here. Some of his pictures. There's his bed. That's a tiny bed, isn't it?
Must have been a tiny money.
Must have been, aye. Oh, that's cool, his map, isn't it? His wee sink. How cool is his wee sink? It's pretty awesome.
My goodness.
Then we've got where he comes and plots his course. That's cool. Oh, aye. The top bit, is that what it's officially called?
What is officially called? We'll have you go.
The top bit. I don't know if there should be water in my submarine.
Yeah, this is just red, so you sit on. You go down.
Oh, so you do. The suits are cool.
Don't you worry.
Natalie will keep me right.
What? I hope we don't meet one soon.
No, I hope we don't.
We've got some big teeth back here.
So this is just looking out into the sea.
Just outside at the Space Mountain, I'm sure
Yeah,
we're
that's
still
right.
under the water.
Aye.
Not much to see through there except from what I would imagine to be two seagulls and ducks.
Aye, It doesn't look like there's much there.
Maybe it's see that's the odd bottle.
Oh, I see something moving.
Estamos en agua.
Oh no!
What's that?
The one thing we said we thought we would
What's
see.
he doing?
Oh, I hope he doesn't attack.
Hi, Captain. Ready the pulse generator.
We ran away. And Captain Nemo's got this cool piano organ. Oh, and there he is there, which is very creepy.
That's not intensely scary.
And then we've got some. This is just, I think, literally looking outside. Now you're just into the engine room.
This thing's a lot bigger than it looks upstairs.
It does actually.
What's the thing?
What's that?
You think you could live here?
No, I definitely couldn't live under the sea. Under the sea.
My name's everywhere.
Oh, just coming out of the Nautilus, you get a great reveal of Space Mountain. Look at that. And then this is literally, we were just in there. That's so cool. So you get you a wee bit like Natalie's hoodie. We get you a wee bit of a better view just going over this wee bridge. So here's just the back of it, the fin. And then over this wee bridge. So that's where we were. And then that big octopus thing was in here.
I think it's a kraken.
Or a kraken, sorry.
Like Lindsay's favourite tipple. The kraken.
Just heading out of Magic Kingdom tonight, and how cool in the background does the hotel look. Looks absolutely amazing tonight.
Like sitting on it.
Aye, and instead of going forward here, we're actually just going to go to the right here and come out the arcade. It's a lot less busy.
There's ducks where we meet Donald Duck.
Oh, we're going to go meet some ducks. Look, people are feeding the ducks here. We're just in the arcade now, and how cool does this place look?
It smells like chocolate.
Oh, it smells lovely, doesn't it? But here's that, what we were calling the Nautilus, or what I call the Nautilus, that balloon. I'm just going to have a look here and see if it tells you what it is. No, don't see anything. There's a wee bake shop just here. It does like cookies and donuts and stuff like that. That looks pretty cool inside as well. Oh, right. New York 2000. That's what I thought it was going to look like in 2000. Oh, they're cool. Pretty cool stuff, eh?
They're quite reasonable, $49.99.
That's alright. Beauty and the Beast up there.
I like
Glass.
this bauble, the Mickey one, but I don't know
that's
if you
cool.
get that home in one piece.
Some of the pictures in here are amazing. Oh, check these out. I love these, man.
How cute is he?
He's so cool, isn't he? This wee guy here. So this morning we showed you this wee car here just going through Main Street. Now Natalie was filling me in, telling me that just here where it stops, you can jump on it for free, and what it'll do is it'll take you up Main Street and then it'll bring you back if you want, or it can drop you up at the castle. We're maybe going to go on this later on, it looks pretty cool. And they've actually got a real life barber shop called Dapper Dan's, sorry. How cool is that? It's amazing looking, isn't it?
Stan.
Can't quite get you right on this. That's cool, man. Barber shop's well cool looking, isn't it? There you go, you can come and get a wee haircut if you want. Just about to head into the storybook store and we get a wee Tigger here.
He's serving us today.
He is serving us a day.